So, hello everyone. Now we are going to do this question. Which of the following is correct with respect to minus I effect of the substituents R? So, R double bond alkali on the basis of R double bond alkali. So, the first option is a bond NH2 less than single bond OR less than minus F. So, second, single bond NR2 is less than OR or less than uh, F. Third, NR2 is greater than minus O is greater than minus F. And fourth, minus NH2 is greater than minus OR and minus F. So the rate of constant of the thermal dissociation of carbonic acids is still in the fatty acid determined in case of phenylcarbonic acids. The rate shows the following: tertiary, then BU, then greater than ISPR, then greater than M. The relative rates may be considered with the donate ability of OR group as a photoreceptors and the results of the experiment. So it's basically depends on the OR factors. Okay. Now the group of proton receptors and the result of experiment can be explained by inductive effect of substitute alkali groups. So in case of alkali carbonic acids, phenyl esters, the rate showed me the following. So the order of acetyl, isopropyl, and Ne. So according to this, we can say that uh, the options second, third won't be considered because they are NR2 and they are just and fourth because it is greater than because NH2 is greater than OR, which does not satisfy with the correct inductive effect of substituents, and here also the NR2 is greater than OR, so it also does not satisfy with the uh, equation. So these two are not to be considered because of the greater than OR inductive effect of OR. Now the NR2 minus OR minus is less than F. Basically NR2 is not less than OR, so this equation also falls at this point. So the correct option will be option 1. So let's see what's the correct option. Yes, the answer will be the correct option because NH2 basically is less than inductive effect of OR and OR is less than the inductive effect of F. Okay, so the correct answer will be this.